Hey trader, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you the most profitable and straightforward strategies for trading binary options. So you will always be in profits, and today I got $35 on the balance and well try to make good profit out of it, guys. So let's pick several indicators, guys. The first one is gonna be the RSI, then the fractal and the Kelton channel. We are good with the default settings, we keep them as they are, guys, don't change anything. The main indicator is the Kelton channel. It's gonna show us the signal for opening trades. We are gonna wait for the touch of the lower or upper boundary of the channel. The same goes for rebounds from the middle line of the channel. The RSI is our supporting indicator. We are gonna watch touches of the oversold and overbought zones and try to play out the reversals. So, and the fractal is gonna help us identify local highs and local lows. Well, let's get started, guys. We trade for all the money, all the currency pairs have been picked, and let's find the first currency pair. But first of all, let's analyze the market a little bit, guys. Well, try to open a short here, very promising trade entry. I'm gonna explain you the principle. First of all, we see the touch of the middle line of the Kelton channel, after which the downward dynamics is very likely to happen because we see this huge pullback before. But now we are going to expect the continuation of the downtrend. If we take a look at the previous price movement, we see a clear downtrend here, higher highs and lower lows. That's why we open the short and the price is very likely to go lower. So we expect the continuation of the downtrend, and yep, guys, so far so good. 5 seconds left before the closing of our position, and there we go, guys. Very nice. Our short position had been closed in profit, guys, exactly as I predicted. That's a good start. We see that the rejection from the middle line did happen, and we played this out perfectly. Let's update the trade amount and put down $62 here, and let's move on, guys. So we see more downtrends on the market, a lot of bearish sentiment. Well, well, let's open a short here. Let me explain the principle of the trade entry. Just have a look at this huge resistance zone here. We see the rejection here, here and here, and obviously the same thing is gonna happen now. The price has broke through the Kelton channel, so the upper dynamics is gonna be over by now. We see 5 consecutive green candles, a small correction is imminent here. And also, the moon coverage almost hit the overbought zone on the RSI, that's why we expect the price to go down, guys. And yep, we already see this huge breakdown. The red candle showed up perfectly calculated, guys. There were several seconds left before the closing, and there we go, guys. Another position had been closed in profits. We got $116 on the balance. Good job, guys. There is no stopping here. Let's continue the trading session. We are gonna find the most promising position entry. Let's open a long here. First of all, we see the price has broken the lower boundary of the channel. We can see the downward dynamics, this huge red candle, and I think we called a great trade entry level. Also, pay attention to these wicks. It tells us that the bulls gained moments and the bearish moments is about to be over. I think the price should retest the lower boundary of the channel and then enter the channel again. By the way, here is this huge support zone, so the price is gonna rebound and go to the upside. Let's have a look, guys. The breakout is gonna happen right now, and right is, guys, exactly as I predicted. The breakout has evenly happened. We got $165 on the balance, so that was so close. But our analysis can be wrong, so let's continue making money. And let's open a short here. I will point out the workspace. First of all, I want to point out the support zone here. The touch of the upper boundary of the channel did happen. Then we expect to see the rejection and at least small correction. There was a more upward dynamics previously, so now is the time for correction. Actually, we see some kind of sideways trend in the zone. We see the pattern when the local highs and getting lower, and the updating of the local high has happened here, so the price should go down. The moving average is near the overbought zone, so the reversal is about to happen. And there we go. Our position is in a profit. We got $207 on the balance. So far so good, guys. And let's continue the trading session. We're gonna update the trade amount. I forgot to do that in the previous trade, so it's okay, guys. Let's continue analyzing. Well, not the best position entry level, guys, but I think it's gonna be fine anyway. I'll point. First of all, guys, we see that the moving average on the RSI is about to hit on the oversold zone, the level 30, after which the reversal is gonna happen and some upward dynamics looks very probable. Meanwhile, we see this huge dump on the chart. The price has broken through the channel, and also we see the touch of the support zone, so the rebound is very likely to happen and the upward dynamics should follow up. Let's have a look, guys, and yep, the breakout has already happened. We see this huge green candle exactly as we predicted. The price entered this channel again, and there we go, guys. This one is of course in profit, guys. We got $368 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session. There is no stopping here, and let's find the next currency pair for the most promising trade entry, guys. This is really promising. Let's open a long position, guys. We are gonna expect the inception of the green candle. So, first of all, we point out the reversal on the RSI. The moving average is gonna move up to the overbought zone. Previously, we saw a massive correction to the touch of the low boundary of the channel did happen, after which the rebound is definitely gonna happen because there were 3 red candles, so a small pullback will happen. If we look back, there was a good uptrend, so it's gonna continue because I don't see any signals for a change, so the price is gonna go up. And yep, guys, this is exactly what's happening. Our position having close in profits. Good job, guys. Let's update the trade amount and let's find another counter pair and continue analyzing. Well, let's wait a little. So let's move on, guys. Very impressive. Let's open a short position here. The principle is exactly the same, everything is simple. We observe a huge pump here, by the way. The trend is upward, but it seems like a small correction is about to happen, and of course the trend should be continued then. But after this huge pump, we are gonna expect a small correction, after which the continuation of the uptrend is gonna happen. The price is heading towards and the overbought zone on the RSI, and the reversal is about to happen, and I think we called the right timing, so the local high was updated here and the price will go lower. And yep, guys, the breakdown has already happened. Actually, the volatility is too high here, but it's fine. There are literally 5 seconds left before the closing. We got a great position entry level, guys. And there we go. We got more than $1,000 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount. Already have some result. So let's continue the trading session. Well, so what do we got here? And let's open a long position, guys. We see the touch of the minor line of the candle channel. The reversal should follow up and the price will move upwards. The local trend is more upward here. That's why we open the long position with the trend. We expect to see some upward dynamics. And also, if we look at the RSI, the moving average is at the level 50 and is about to reverse and move towards the overbought zone. That's why we open the long, guys. The breakout is gained moments. However, we see some volatility to the downside, but it's fine. The breakout will definitely happen. We'll wait for the outcome. There are several seconds left before the closing, and there we go. We are in the profits. There are $1,750 on the balance. Quite good outcome, but it's not an out. Let's continue the trading session. we are interested in the highest payout rate. We see the accumulation zone, and let's open a short position, guys. Great trade entry. Have a look at the RSI. The moving average is in the overbought zone and the reversal is about to happen. We also see this accumulation zone here, after which the price should move downwards and the price will enter the channel again. We see a more upward dynamics here, and the local high has been updated. So before the continuation of the uptrend, a small correction will definitely happen. That's why we open the short position, guys. And let's see. The breakdown hasn't happened yet, but the red candle is gonna show up right now. We see the breakdown. There are 5 seconds left before the closing. And yep, guys, our position had been closed in profits, so we got $2,400 on the balance, and let's call it a night, guys. Hope you enjoyed my trading session. See you next time. Good luck on trading. Bye bye.